Hello and welcome to pH Chemistry. Today's explainer is the collision theory, the simple idea that explains why every rate-changing factor actually works. By the end of this video, you'll see how concentration, temperature, surface area, and catalyst all link back to one principle. For a reaction to occur, particles must collide with enough energy, at least the activation energy, and in the right orientation. More frequent or more energetic collisions mean a faster reaction rate. Every factor that changes the rate works through one of those two things. Three things. 1. Temperature increases particle speed, goes to more frequent and more energetic collisions. 2. Concentration increases particles per volume, which leads to more collisions per second. And 3. Surface area changes how often particles meet, not how energetic they are. Common slip. Saying every collision causes a reaction, they don't. Only those with enough energy and the right orientation. Plenty of bounces happen with no reaction at all. Quick example. Powdered chalk reacts with acid faster than a single chalk lump. Same mass, but far more surface area and more collisions per second. Even though each collision has the same energy, there are simply more of them per second. Right, if any of this is going to stick beyond this video, drop into phmaths.com. You'll find a free 4-week GCSE higher revision planner ready to download, plus the mastery workbooks across maths, physics, biology and chemistry. One for every higher topic in each subject, with every answer fully worked and every common slip flagged. Simple explanations, serious results. See you next video.